same thing. But yeah, I was sleeping and my hair looks so messed up in this view. Shit. Okay, let's. But this is. I will not be putting it like this, right? It will majorly be like this, so it's fine. I can now run some songs before we start the thing. Lo-fi chill. The audio is good. Playlist dining out. This is good. And let's change the title live. Today is 57. Also, we'll open Twitch, the Twitch chat. Pop out the chat. Srinath, hello Srinath. Ash, hey, hi, welcome guys. Welcome to the stream. What you guys are working on today? Today we'll see what is there any chat we can pop out from. Get cred when you share. Where's the chat field? Wait, where is the chat field? What's going on? What's going on? Nothing much. Just starting this this stream here. Also, today I want to open the Twitch chat because yesterday someone mentioned there are some chats here, so we'll keep an eye at it too. Meanwhile, the whole day I was busy working on the new modification which I'm adding on my new app, which is auto air heels. I was just 100% working on it, and today I was so engrossed in that kind of work that I thought I should not even come to this live. Maybe I can skip it, but then I thought it's fine. I can take a rest. I can take a slight rest here. Demo landing page, remove. Let's remove this. Clone repo, post handle. So I'm moving the whole rendering engine into post handle now. Open in cursor. So this is post handle. I haven't worked on post handle for a while, but I'm using its backend to change the rendering inside my app. Srinath, I worked on the Pomodoro timer Android app today. Oh, nice. When are you planning to launch it? I really want to check the render API so I can pass on this information. Let's see. Cool, Srinath. Soon. It's now 50-60% complete. Awesome. Looking forward to it. Do share the link if you want initial testing. I would love to check it out. Srinath, I'm using GLM 4.6 coding plan with Cloud Code and Tray AI ID. Nice. Yeah, I tried GLM 4.6. It's also really good, like compared to other models which are cheaper. So I am currently sticking with Kimi K2 because I already have like filled it with $30 last 2 months back. So yeah. Real Alien, hello, big fan, sir. Hey, thank you. Welcome to the stream, Real Alien. What are you doing? What are you currently working on? These are our bots, Stream Elements and Nightbot. The two fight with each other. This is a bot war. Bot war. Let's see if I can fix this issue. Array string. This technically is working fine. I noticed that the LLM output is coming incomplete string like this. Can we parse this or without changing any workflow logic, just in the workflow YAML file itself? Actually, I am tight on budget, so these tools do the work for me. Yeah, that's very like, you know, this will really help you as well. Even in the big companies, I was talking to one guy and he said like their company is also looking for minimizing their AI coding cost, because well, technically if your team, like if you have a developer and you have given him like access to AI tools, and maybe like he's using GPT Opus 4.1 and he doesn't know anything, like many of my friends, they who are working in like big tech companies, their companies providing them for free API cost, and then there is this their developers who know like which tool to use for which particular use case. For example, you'd never want to use like Opus 4.1 or 4.5 for all the cases because it's like 6 times expensive than other models. So it's also a very good learning actually what you are doing right now. You know, you are learning to minimize the billing because it's your own problem. You're trying to fix your own problem, but in the end, once you will talk to other company or other developers, or if you work professionally, this will be kind of a thing which will be considered pretty good by them. Like, you know how to use a cheaper models. Luis Fitness, nice to see you back. Hey Luis, welcome to the stream, man. Today, because of you, I am opening the chat for Twitch as well. Hope to see more messages. Akhil, hey Divanshu. Hey Akhil, how are you? Akhil, you said you are from US, right? Which part of US are you currently staying in? Louis, so much better. I wanted to get your recommendations for Goa. I'm guessing you travel a ton. Not a ton, but yeah, I try to move around once I get like burned out working on my computer a whole day. So yeah. Yeah, this is a problem with this freaking Claude models. They just keep doing things and there is no stop button. Like they'll just keep going. Harshit, oh, long time. Hey Harshit, how is it? How are things in Delhi? How are you doing? Akhil, I'm in New Jersey. Oh, nice, nice. This must be the beginning of cold season there as well. Srinath, oh yes, I see. New Jersey. Got it, got it. Louis Fitness, what countries have you been to? Louis, I have been to so the first trip which I did was on Southeast Asia, majorly all the countries in Southeast Asia, Indonesia, Malaysia, Singapore, What else? What else is there? Yeah, Vietnam, Thailand. I've covered these. And Sri Lanka, I went like last couple, like 2 months back. Then I have been to like Eastern Europe, most of the countries, starting from like mid Germany. We traveled like across all the Eastern countries. Yeah, that's it. Luis, I'm from Singapore. I'm doing Sri Lanka in December. Oh, wow, Sri Lanka is amazing, man. Like I went there like 3 months back. Not 3 months. I went there in September. So it's one of my favorite countries to go again. Like if I'm going again anywhere outside India, I will again go to Sri Lanka because I love that country so much to explore. And it's in that sweet spot, sweet era that it's not too touristy at this point. Like for example, when I went to Bali in 2019 versus if I go Bali now, those are like two different places because Bali has been so commercialized, so touristy that you cannot enjoy the rawness of that place anymore. So I see Sri Lanka is in that 2019 state of its Bali. So if anyone wants to experience that, I would highly suggest like go to Sri Lanka. Akhil, have you seen Trust MRR? Oh yeah, I have seen. Like it's grown crazy. Luis, I don't like Bali for that reason. Too many people and it's awful. Correct. It's like too crowded. I went there in 2022 again. That time also like we were like working remotely and it was fun. I also climbed the Mount Agung which is there. I did not ask you to do anything on this model, brother. Why did you change this, you freaking Lord? So raw result is a response, and what it is doing is it's passing the raw result to output analyze generator raw result, and then there is a JSON extractor. Now the JSON extractor, how the JSON extractor works, it's here. The JSON extractor will requires a JSON string, JSON type, parse, key. Okay, so technically it will just parse whatever it's needed, JSON string, analyze, raw result, and again it's doing the JSON extraction. We can remove this step if the output is just the JSON output, and we can just say these merge. We can merge these two steps, merge these two steps into single, and we can just use that one output object in our output results as image prompts. Louis Fitness, you gotta show me around Goa when I'm visit. I wanna see all the spots locals go to. Cool. Yeah, let me know once you're here. We can arrange any meetup. Varun, hello. Hey, welcome to the stream, Varun. How are you doing? Luis, I'll hit you on Discord. Awesome. Yeah, join our Discord as well if you are there. Otherwise, I can share the link. So it's a good thing is parse prompt as JSON extractor, analyze prompts, raw results, and then we have output is image prompts, which is parse prompt, image prompt. Perfect. Anshuman, hello. Hey, hi Anshuman. Again, thanks to Anshuman, today we had a meet in evening and Anshuman told me all the secret sauce on growing on TikTok. So I have started warming up my TikTok account. I'll share more information how it goes. I was also checking, Anshuman, I was telling you about like we have to set up a VPN. So I found out a very amazing process. It will cost $5 a month, and that's via Hetzner VPS. So what we have to do is we have to, oh shit, Vulture is targeting, wait. So I already have a VPS, but I don't think I'll buy another one. It will cost me $5. So you can get a Hetzner VPS because they are very safe. Like one of the safest servers which you can get are Hetzner, not super commercialized, and you can run a US location on them. I think. Oh shit! There is only Germany, Finland. There was a US location. Is it not shown here? Wait. I have that post saved here. Where is the bookmark? So I found one post. This one. So this guy has done, go to Hetzner, create a VPS in the US region. But we can't create a VPS on US region from India, I think. Or is it because... Wait, let me log in into my console. Akhil, can you check my website? I have sent you in Discord. DM. Cool. Let me check. Luis, I meant to ask, are the beaches, they are safe to run topless, or is that too much? Because I know India is conservative. I mean, it depends on which part of Goa you are going. If you are on a very touristy place, I would not recommend that. And yeah, if you are in the very like northern top on the northern side or on the very southern side, then it might be possible. But yeah, I think people do that here, but not very common. Yeah, you're right. AI Sidekick, I can run another version, create a new resource, DNS zones. Yeah, I was thinking this will be easy, but I guess I'll have to add another server. Cost optimized location. There is US. So there is a US East. Okay, so I can create a new server here on Hetzner on US. And then I can just run my own. Wait. Yeah, then I can just run my own VPN, which is very private, not commercial, and I'll be paying only $5. So nowadays I'm getting feed like don't use AI, use AI less as you can. Yeah, that's true actually. We have to maintain some balance, I guess. Let me check the website which Akhil has shared. Best donation alerts for your stream. Oh, I remember Akhil. Oh shit, I remember you were building this long back, like with the QR code, right? You can, I think we had this discussion long back, maybe like 5-6 months back, if I'm not wrong. Have you had friends do that on travels? Not really, Luis. Not any Indian friends, never. Cool, this is so good. Is it live? Like, can we sign up? Just one advice. Please don't show these crazy forms to fill. Why there is no social login? Do I have to fill everything? Username. Divyanshu Negi. Password. Okay. Streaming platform. YouTube channel. Oh, I have to search my YouTube channel. Channel ID, user ID. Oh, this was a good one. Like you just clicked and it opened my channel here. I'm connecting my another channel, which is like my personal one. YouTube channel not found. What channel ID is? Copy. Verify. Yes. Create account. Now I have to sign in again. Oh, this is good actually. You're directly giving user to like asking user to pay. Is there any way where I can test it out without paying for now? I don't know if it will be useful for me or not, but I just want to test it out. I don't even know like if anybody would be paying me. I don't have that kind of user fan base here. Luis, what about non-Indian friends? You seem so open-minded. So I haven't had any non-Indian friend here visiting to me. So yeah. I meant in other countries too. Not really, Luis. Anshuman, you are telling us iCloud and number is also required. Oh yeah, that's another thing where you need an iCloud and Gmail account, but you can buy that for $1. Shubham, hey Shubham, how are you, man? Akhil, it's just a basic app. It took me 30 days to build. Also, I'm using Google OAuth 2.0. It's still in verification from 1 week. Cool, Akhil. But yeah, it looks pretty solid, man. Very professional. I like the icon and the theme of the website. Sam, diff shift to droid dump. The cursor subscription takes droid and you that agent in cursor. What? Shift to droid. Dump the cursor subscription. Take droid and you that agent in cursor. Use that agent. Okay. I tried to, I'll show you. I've already messaged the droid team. For some reason, where replies are shown. So I sent this message to the droid team. I really liked your agent CLI, but it's not working. They found a message like, oh no, can you email? And I emailed them, but their support team sucks. Like they said, can you try a different card? I told them I tried all my cards. It works perfectly fine on any other. Like it works fine on Cloud Code. It works on all these Chinese websites like Moonshot, Zenmux. Everywhere I have felt like some token money, but it's not working on Factory AI. And they haven't replied back. I really want to use Droid. Like I really like Droid Agent. Varun, yes, same thing. Hit me like this. He shared the UI in live stream. What is happening, Varun? I think I missed the thread here. Where do you host your backend application? Srinath, I host majorly, like I recently started hosting on my own VPS where I am like hosting my all the projects. I have installed Coolify. It just connect with your GitHub and things are hosted. But I am also using Cloudflare as my main infrastructure at this point. So I have a lot of workers and my storage. It's all on Cloudflare. I'm trying to isolate my like use into a single infrastructure, which is either Cloudflare or my own, rather than just having everything open. Abhinav, Cursor raised 2.3 billion in Series D. Billion? Like they raised it at this valuation, right? Series D. Wow. This is a 1-year-old company and they are at D now. In 5 months, in just 5 months, they have raised. Oh wow, valued at what the fuck? The company is valued now $29 billion. Fucking hell. I mean, the way they are charging money, it makes sense. Luis, are you a real person? I mean, it looks like a bot now. Bot messaging. Yo, Akhil. Anshuman, you were telling us iCloud. Yeah, this we have covered. Hello, it's just a basic app. It took me. This we have covered. Shift to droid. This we have covered. Yes, same thing. Wait, I'll enable it for you. Luis is a troll, lol. I think so, man. Like, I think so. Luis is a bot, I think. Just reading the transcript and replying, making engagement. Hello, Akhil. What is this app about? It's a jailable offense to do that in India. Bro just ignored my comment, lol. Hey, sorry, Abhinav. I just missed it while scrolling. You don't have HDFC. No, I don't. I have like ICICI. I tried with Indy. That, what is that bank name? Indy? I think it's Indy Bank, right? And then I tried with Fee. It's not working. So imagine a VS Code fork valued for 30 billion. I mean, the way they are charging money, I'm paying them $100 almost every month now. About $100, which I'll not pay this month for sure, because I have found that Codex has real power. Codex working so good. Okay, so we have a JSON extractor and image prompts is working. Let's try to run the workflow again. Hit me up. Admin reload. Then let's go to Auto Aerials Pro. Okay, can you check now? Login again. Cool. Let me open up. Is it still open somewhere? Not really. It's here. Dashboard. What do I have to do? How to log out? I think I can't log out. I know there is a way to reset everything. How to log out? There is no log out button. So this is one feedback. I guess I can't log out. Okay, is there a way to log out? Sheenas, hey, just a quick doubt. In the privacy and policy, what do you mention? Company name or what else? Like who is responsible, something kinda. I mean, at this stage, if you don't have a company, yes, you are responsible, but you can just give a copyright of your app's name. I don't have any legal knowledge on these things, and most of the time it doesn't matter. Apple would flag, or Apple would say, just give any name, because you have to fill the copyright field if you're publishing an iOS app. I generally give my name there, so everything is on your name. But if you have a company registered, you can give your company name. Anshuman, I want to change my Cloud API key remotely in my app, so what should I use? Like, it should not get leaked. What? Anshuman, are you using your... What? Anshuman, don't use your Cloud API key on your app, ever. This is my advice. Anyone can extract those keys. Like, I can go into your app, can download your APK or AAB. I can just run de-obfuscate your Java code and I can find your key easily. It's not that hard. Never put your API keys on your apps, guys, especially like these LLM keys. Akhil, just remove the cookies. Okay. Help me with that. Like, I haven't removed cookies ever before. I know there is some buttons here. Where is fast refresh or remove cookie, something, some button we have to press. Cookies and site data. Settings. Where is it? Can you use ZenMux or OpenRouter with Codex? I don't know. I don't think Codex allows all this flexibility. I'm using it because I'm already paying $20 for their premium plan, pro plan, and it's available for me on that. So I am just using it because I want to utilize my $20 to the fullest. I'm already using ChatGPT a lot. Okay, I will add the sign on button. Cool. Real alien. How to me bang. I am not Bengali real alien. Achina. I don't know. I don't know Bengali. Anshuman, no, obviously currently I'm using Firebase and Supabase. So what do you mean by change my Cloud API key remotely in my app? You mean on your server you want to change, but that you can do remotely, right? You don't have to update your app if it's on the server. Oh shit, I ran this process. Okay, we have the data now. Perfect. Now we have image prompts with the style and image prompt messages. Or an open developer console and go to the application. In the developer console, an application. Yes, there are some cookies here. Clear site data. Done. Thank you. Thank you, Varun. Okay, we can sign in now. I remember there was a button somewhere like you can press on Alt or something. It. Oh wow, we are in. Donation apps. Yeah, this looks very professional. Good work, Akhil. Oh man, you have worked really good on the theming. Amazing. I like it. Shit, you have thought it through all the theme settings. But okay, light and dark. But the color here is a little bluish. I thought it's a blue theme. Okay. Anshuman, I asked wrongly actually. Like dynamic API switching, something to use Claude, sometimes Gemini or Kimi, like that. Oh, okay. Dynamic switching. So for that, what I would suggest, easy solution would be if you have a server, just use a remote config by Firebase. Firebase does have a remote config property, and you can write a condition there depending on whatever remote config I have set on Firebase. Just use that value. I do use those remote configs a lot on my client apps to do A/B testing. Not of the AI models obviously, but for some different features I want to show to the user, and see like which version is working better. And otherwise, this will be super easy if you use AI Sidekick server, which will be live soon. So that will save a lot of your time. That's why I built the whole AI Sidekick server, which I'm currently working on. You just have to write this workflow file, and this workflow file will do everything for you. So for example, if I have to change my model, I can directly go here from model. I can just change this model name and upload, and also I can write a condition on this workflow depending on like conditions, what I want to use, which model I want to use. So one good thing is this is working. Loopless. Are the comments with links hidden? I think yeah, YouTube does that. YouTube doesn't allow links on the chat. Akhil, also I'm building analytics tool for my website just to monitor my websites like DataFast. Oh, DataFast is really good. Like if you are okay to pay what, $9 a month, then I think it's one of the best analytics tool at this point for indies specifically. What I can do here: test alert, email, live, apps. So Google, Stream Elements, Streamlabs, donation. My one advice would be, Akhil, like I don't understand, like when I entered here, what to do, like what is there any like a small onboarding which you can do for the user so they know what's happening, what they have to do. Like I can see there are donations. I forgot how this product was supposed to work. Actually, you mentioned last time that it used to show some QR code, or that was a different project by a different guy. I don't know. Maybe I'm mixing that thing. How does it work? Best donation alerts. Display Cash App and Venmo donations with stunning customizable alerts, engaging with the audience, and boost donation. Integration with Streamlabs and Stream Elements. Cash App and Venmo, multi-platform support. Twitch and YouTube, secure private, real-time notification, donation. I mean, okay, so how it will show the alerts on my stream? I think I don't understand this product very well. I'm sorry. Are the comments with, okay, this we have covered. Yeah, thanks, because when testing it cost a lot when using Claude. Yeah, true, man. True. I generally test with GPT-4o Mini. It's very cheap. I want to move to Kimi, but Kimi is a bit slower. I want to use test and a fast model, and 4o Mini is very cheap. Works good for my testing. User has to connect Gmail and Streamlabs Stream Elements. It monitors the Gmail with specific emails. Oh, like for example, if I'm a YouTuber, I have to connect my Gmail so your server can read my Gmail messages, emails. Is this how it works? Varun, when you're connected to your YouTube channel, if someone donate to you in live stream, it tracks and do something, I think. Okay, so it's the product is majorly for me, like to see how many donations I receive and maybe like a dashboard of looking at that. It's not related to displaying them on my live stream. I can just do a test. Enter donor name. I'll say Varun. Amount. Varun has paid me $100. Enter the message. Hey Dev. Send test donation. No streaming platform connected. Please connect to Streamlabs or Stream Elements. I currently don't use, I think I use Stream Elements. But that I use on my current account, not on this YouTube channel which I have connected here. Got it. So it's basically a dashboard where I can see how many donations I received, total donations, and maybe I'll get an email as well. There's an email management. Oh, this is for that listening of my emails. Bro, did I give access to read my emails to this page? Shit. Akhil, please tell me. I haven't given the permission while clicking that button. No. Okay, cool. Then it's good. User has to connect Gmail and Stream, but it did not ask me to connect my Gmail. Oh, there is a connect Gmail to automatically collect donations. Got it. So I haven't connected it. That's why it's not able to. But I mean, this is good. Is there any other way to do this? Because I don't know how many people would be comfortable sharing their Gmail account to get all these. I mean, I remember there was this app I was trying to download, which was for finance app tracking. Like it used to calculate all your financial data, like how where you are spending. And it was doing similar thing. It was asking me to connect my Gmail so that it can track the transaction emails coming to my email, and it will just filter out those emails only. But technically that app would receive every email which I'm receiving. It will just filter out the transaction emails. And I was like not very comfortable with that. I launched my first SaaS, my version of Whisperflow, noteflux.app. Oh wow, you have launched a Whisperflow alternate. What is it? Noteflux.app. Wait, let's see noteflux.app. Noteflux.app. Write 4x faster using your voice. From speech to polished writing. Draw. Guys, you all are doing crazy work, man. This is really good. Like, I generally use Super Whisper because it's like free, does everything locally. There is this meme, fielding set owner. So I think someday someone will share any app with me and I'll just download it on a machine and मेरी fielding set हो जाएगी. Because I just log in and do these click 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 in this dopamine hit adrenaline mode. Sign in to sync your recording and settings. It's a very good way. It's a, but I would suggest loopless. One suggestion is, if it's a Mac app, I'm already like, I have already downloaded your app, right? So the thing is, never ask user to sign in or sign up unless it's like super important, or maybe do it anonymous. Like all the Firebase or Superbase do give you anonymous sign in. Just do that initially while onboarding, so that once user has already invested so much time on downloading, installing, they can just see the magic of your app happening. And later on, for premium features or going to settings, you can just pop like, okay, sign in into the app now, where you will connect their real account. Otherwise it's a big friction which happens. Oh man, why is everyone creating these forms? Why not the Google Auths or like Firebase Auth? Wait, I'll not use my real email this time. Wait, I'll use the other email. Where is my dummy email? Just give me 1 sec. I'm logging in into my account. Cool. Now I'm in. Press option space. But that is already mapped for another thing. Okay, this has overridden it, I think. Hey, can you transcribe what I'm saying? Can you type it here, what I am saying? Would like to control this computer using accessibility features. Deny. Okay, so it was trying to actually paste when I pressed that button. And where is this app running? Noteflux. Oh, it's running here. Got it. Copy text. Close. Then there is reorganize. It's working. One good thing is it's working. The only thing I would say, because I think it's your first version, right? We'll just work on a little bit of a UI polish. Then it's a really good app. And all the best, man. Try to give like local models as well. I would definitely try to use this. Whisper Large Turbo V3, configure transcriptions. So you're giving Whisper Large and Whisper V3 Turbo, which is good. Okay, so it's again showing me this small pop-up on my screen where the something is happening. Let's see once I close this. Deny. Cool, it works. It works. Nice. Nice job. Nice job. What loopless. So anyone who is interested in a talk to speech app, uh, something like Whisperflow or Super Whisper, there is a new contender in the market, NoteFlux. Guys, you can try it out. It will be available in Windows soon. Currently it's in Mac only, and I don't think it has any paid plan as of now. Always use dummy email. Yeah, I learned something today. Sam, like with IQ, I think you connect YouTube channel. It's available with API. Yeah, I think it's not the same way he's showing Akhil. Akhil is it's working in a different way. I've sent you another website, Two for Indians. Oh wow, you have I opened this link. So the change is for Indians it's 249 per month. Unlimited alerts, advanced email notifications, all payment integration, priority support, analytics dashboard. I think once I grow to that level where I'm receiving so much money that I cannot even know from where this money came from. Until then, yeah, all the best to you on this project. But yeah, very professional, and the way you have published it for both countries, it's commendable. I mean, you have a different domain mapped to different version of the app. Press option space after putting cursor in text area. Got it. Option space again. Got it. Got it. Yeah, this is how even like Super Whisper and Whisperflow works. Very good job, Loopless. It's a very like a complex project, and I wish you all the best. And once you nail a little bit of a tweaks on UI features, then I think it's a good app. It's working really nice. Varun, anyone using Godot with React Native? Hey Varun, I wanted to talk about that as well. Even I wanted to play with it. It's just that I'm not getting enough time. I saw this new library recently, React Native Godot. React Native Godot. What? React Native Godot. No, this is not that. Bond.com, this one. So yeah, this has like 2.4k stars. It's a really good, like, you know, way to enhance your own React Native apps. So basically now I can have Godot implemented in my app where I can make a game in Godot and package it into a React Native app, and I can build all these crazy interactions inside. Not just interactions, but like full games. I really want to build one app with these features, but currently I'm like so packed with things. Okay, the good thing is our changes are working. So this is working. I just need to add another workflow here, which will be What are the output options here? JPEG. Okay. Are you using Google STT? What is Google STT? Oh, speech to text. You mean you are asking Loopless? He's using Grok models because of the speed, I guess. Thanks, bro. Local models are in roadmap little later. I need to refine the core features first. Awesome, awesome. I mean, these are the kind of apps which have a very bright future in like next year or in the future, because if you nail your app in a way where if someone like for me, if I start using your app, it will be very hard for me to move to another thing because I'm so used to using your app, and this is a again very time saving apps. The only thing these apps need is that friction point where people would download and give you all those permissions. So building a trust like with a very good landing page, talking about it on public, having good reviews, I think this will be a really good app. All these companies, Super Whisper and Whisper Flow, everyone like on podcast and everywhere you listen about these apps, how people are like being super productive by using such tools. But it's a Android app. Android app means I don't know, crazy. Shubham, hello Shubham. Varun, Tesla is app is already used Godot plus React Native. I read one Medium article. Really? Are they showing that the the app their model in 3D using the Godot engine? Maybe on it. Tesla using some other Godot library called Calico Games. That was a older version. I was also checking that out. So here is this version created. I would say this would be around 50. Version user daily limit is, let's make it 100. Prompt, go fast, true, go fast. Default 1, 9:16, WebP. Image replicate Black Forest. Output generate image URL. Keep all. Okay, let's see if this is working. Duplicate Flux Light. What's the name? Flux Light. Flux Light. Prompt. Prompt would be check job status, and if I go to the bottom, a Flux Light prompt. And just check the job status. Check job status. Done. Perfect. So a new workflow is deployed and it's working fine. now I can start using them on my tool set to generate the outputs. uh, 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 uh. Wait. Saw the new Steam console. Oh really, Steam released a new console? Steam console. What? Crazy. Steam has released their new console. They're now competing against PS5 and Xbox. Is it a video? It's taking so long. Your game on the big screen. What is their GPU here? Which GPU they're using? AMD desktop class CPU and GPU. I'm pretty sure it will be cheaper than both of those. They haven't mentioned the price yet. This is good. This is really good. Steam machine price. Expected at $699. Wow. It's as expensive as a PS5. Varun, anyone here fan of new Tata Safari EV? My daddy is going crazy after seeing this news. There's a new EV on Tata Safari. I mean, guys, I don't have to say this, but my experience with Tata has not been that great, with EV specifically. Like my mom got this Tata Tiago, and in the last 2 years, it has been in the showroom, in the service for 2 times. It completely broke down on the middle of the road, where it was not, like one time they had to replace the whole battery on that machine, and it took almost 10-15 days. But I hope these new versions, they have fixed those issues. Oh, it looks cool. Yeah. Nice. He used to drive old Tata Safari where he's working Hyderabad in 1994 to 1998. Yeah, old Safari is like OG Safari, Tata Safari. Sam, if they just relaunch the 90s Safari, they'll already eat the market. I don't know why they abandoned it. Yeah, I like the old Tata Safari, like it was an iconic car. I hope it works. Firebase app. Oops. I have to set up Firebase here. Okay. What I'll have to do is download it from Vercel. What is this one? Settings, environment variables. Freaking hell. Is there a way to export the environment variables easily? Sadly, no. Yeah, I think I'll do it tomorrow now. Like the only thing remaining today, I have like finished the whole new backend for auto aerials. So it generates better stories, better image prompts. Then there is a better image generation and better voices. So the another thing which I'm giving there is the video generation part. I'm also changing the pricing model for the app where it will have, you can only create one video if it's a very like a professional video, which I am also using to promote my content using like automating it. So I'm testing it internally for now, publishing it on my own theme pages to see how it works, if it grows, and later on I will publish it on the app itself. So this is this month's target. Like in November I want to publish a new version of auto aerials which can handle all these features. Cool, guys. So today I have to go and watch a movie after this. So I'll call it a day a bit early, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Thank you, everyone.